So I'm Christophe Pinault. I am global head of research at BNP Paribas Real Estate. We cover quite all Europe, as you can see. In terms of research, we are 40 people around Europe, mainly in the main location. And in the research team, we have economists, a team of economists, a team of investment management analysts who provide risk and portfolio analysis. We have analysts. And as we are in real estate and a lot of data are not public, we have database manager. So now Europe, a little bit of Europe before going to France, has comparison. As you can see, the large market on investment are France, Germany, UK. UK is leading by far, but France is third and is a big market, big and liquid market with 23 billion of euro on a rolling year basis invested in 2014 until now. If we compare France in terms of dynamic, we expect by the end of the year 22 billion. And you see that 22 billion, it is the third best record just after 2006 and 2007. So it's really big amount of money invested in France at the moment. When you look at where are the investors' origins, half of them are local. And you have a lot of American, more and more Asian and Middle East, which are looking to France property. When you look not at the investors market, but at the office market in terms of take-up or in terms of also of stock, Paris is the first one in Europe, before London. So just to make sure that we have a comparison that makes sense, we have used Central London and Central Paris, not Greater Paris and Central London like it is often done. But even with Central London and Central Paris, Paris dominates London on these topics, but it is quite the only one. If we look now at the office market in Île-de-France, you have the cycle of the market here, and you see that the supply in green, light green, is at the top level at the moment. We do expect just a slight decrease during this year, at the end of this year, but it will not be a strong trend, not at all. Why this good news should happen? It is because take-up is growing quite strongly this year, after a very negative year last year, and building start is in a strong decreasing. So we are holding on at the moment the project. What is absolutely key when you are looking at Paris, it is that you have not just one market in Paris. You have a lot of sub-markets in Paris which are not at all in the same situation. If you look at Paris city, so, you see that the vacancy rate is around 5%, when it is 7.4% globally in Île-de-France, and it is above 10% when you are going to the Western Crescent. So you have very varied situation, and it's not because the average is behaving badly that everything is behaving badly. Again, a view on the diversity of Paris. You have take-up, and you can see that you can see quite everywhere an increase of take-up this year. And you see that some sub-market are behaving better than their average, and some other are behaving are less good, especially in a RIM at the moment. But it is normal when the market suffers. Just a map and a view on the new office rents in Paris. You have in dark green the CBD with rents between 500 and 800 around, and you have at the inner rim or outer rim rents that can go to 200 euro per square meter. So it's very, very varied market, and you have to be careful when you look at it at the moment because you have good location, good risk, bad risk. Something that is quite important at the moment in Paris, and that we talk a lot in Paris because there is not enough information on these topics, it is incentives. On average, for all offices, it is at the moment 17% in Paris, but it can go down to 14% in the CBD and up to around 30% when you are in inner rim. So it's the same. When you are speaking about headline rents, you are not speaking at all about the true market. So you have to have deeper information to understand truly. When we look now at investment is increasing everywhere in terms of office investment in Paris. All the locations are winning, especially La Défense, but La Défense is there is a catching back of La Défense recently, which is good news because it was a very high level of vacancy rate for a long time and few take up, and now it's changing in terms of investment and in terms of take up. If you look at the prime yield, this is just a success story from 2009 to now, with a slowdown in decrease, but always decreasing situation linked to financial topics, to the fact that there is a large amount of money ready to invest in Paris. But we will certainly talk more about it. With the Paris CBD at 4.25 and outer rim at 6.20. So this is a common story for prime. What is new and very interesting, it is average. The average is again decreasing after a not very successful 2013 years. And it means that the gap between average and yields is also shrinking slightly again. And you have less identified risk even on the average in Paris today than it was the case last year. If you want to have a comparison across Europe, you can see that Paris, Lyon and Marseille are very different markets. Paris is at the level of the lowest yield in Europe, when Lyon or Marseille are globally at the average. Just few words on the regions market, because it was a French presentation. It has to be a French presentation. As there is a lot of varied situation in Paris, there is also a lot of varied situation in the local regional market. As you can see in take-up, there is winning cities and losing cities at the moment. And what is key is also to understand that Lyon, let's say Toulouse, Aix-Marseille and Lille are usually dynamic markets. But when you look at investment, you see that Lyon dominates quite strongly. And Lille is exceptionally low at the moment. Aix-Marseille is a little bit better, but few for offices. And Toulouse is not really on the scope at the moment. So you have Paris with varied situation. You have Lyon that is still on a very comfortable situation. The other one are less liquid at the moment, let's say. But in terms of yields, it's the same story with a strong decline of yields to a low level yet. But it is only for prime, and it's not at all for the average of this market.